Hello, what's up all? Welcome and welcome back again to our channel All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. Happy New Year to all of you, and I thank you for coming back and watching our videos after coming to a new year. We appreciate your continued support. We appreciate you coming back and clicking on our videos. And if this is your first time clicking on this video, feel much welcome to our channel. Feel at home. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever we upload new videos. Anyway, I decided to share with you this new year, this DIY that I did. This DIY I did last year, so I just decided to share with you right now. This is a side table that I was making for my client because I had a lot of projects that I was working on, but I'll be sharing them, so make sure to stay tuned to our channel. Make sure you have subscribed and hit the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload this DIY. So for this one, in the first clips of this video, I have shown you how we coil or we make these shapes. We use a machine and then we do the welding, and some of these DIYs are things that you cannot DIY on your own because you need the machines and they are so expensive. So you just need to find those guys who do welding and tell them what you need, and then after they do all the necessary or they attach all the pieces together, you can go and continue with your DIY. That is, you start from the painting work, then the tops because you are dealing with wood, and then the marble or the formica, and you can use contact paper for the top, and then after that you finish off your DIY. But for this one, you cannot just wake up one day and start DIYing this one because coiling or making those circles and attaching these pieces together, it's a lot of work and it needs a lot of skills. Anyway, I hope you will enjoy this video, and don't forget to like it, commenting on it, and sharing. I will really appreciate. I want us to start this new year with good vibes, a lot of support, and yeah, it will be a great year ahead of us all. I wish you a good year ahead, and yeah, continue supporting us, continue watching our videos, and watch the not the likes, just watch the ads so that we get more revenue from them. Yeah, and for the legs, I'm just going to be putting these plastics so that it will be smooth when you place it somewhere. And then after that, I'm going to be making the tops. After making the tops, I'll be joining the pieces together, and after that I'll be done and I'll be showing you the final reveal. Yeah, see you on the next video. Bye.